The blue lines represent the previous case of unconstrained tax adjustment for the tax rate, panel A, external commercial public debt, panel B, total public debt, panel C, GDP growth, panel D, private consumption, panel E, and private investment, panel F. Now, imagine that the tax rate is constrained by a ceiling of 17.5%. When the ceiling is not binding, the tax rate follows a fiscal rule implying some delay in the fiscal adjustment relative to the case of unconstrained adjustment. This is shown by the red line in panel A. Once the ceiling binds, the tax rate stays at 17.5% for more than a decade. As a result, external commercial debt and total debt increase relative to the unconstrained case, featuring hump-shaped paths, panel B and C. Real GDP growth, on the other hand, follows a similar dynamic path to that of the unconstrained tax case, panel D. Since external commercial borrowing allows for tax increases to be phased more slowly, it helps smooth the paths of private consumption and investment. During the first decade, private consumption decreases on average by 0.1%, which contrasts starkly with the average drop of 1% under the unconstrained tax adjustment case. Along the same lines, private investment only declines in the second year by 0.3%, while under the unconstrained tax adjustment, the decline is more drastic and protracted.